Welcome back to iFMS 5's introduction video. In this video, I will show you how to enter sales and cost for shipments. I will show you how to add sales and cost manually. Note that there are faster and more automated ways to do this, which will be shown in later videos. But for our first lesson, I will show you the manual process. Let's start by defining some terminology. Your operational costs are entered as bills. Bills are linked to vendors. Common vendors include steamship lines, airlines, and customs brokers. Sales to customers are issued as invoices. Note that customers should be companies from which you collect money. If you both pay money to and collect money from a company, they are more likely to be an agent and not a customer. The last section is for credit and debit notes with your agents. Agents are usually other freight forwarders or NVOCCs. Because you typically have more complex back and forth transactions with agents, they are handled in a particular area for credit and debit notes. Credit debit notes are abbreviated in the program as CRDB. Let's open an existing shipment and add some sales and cost. Let's open an import airway bill. Even though the steps shown are an air import shipment, they apply to all parts of the program, including export and ocean. We can start entering some cost. I press New Bill. Let's set the vendor to Air China and type a bill number. Now we can start entering the line items. Press the down arrow key to go to the next line. Press Save when done. After we save, the program will ask us if we want to enter another bill. I'll click Yes. This time, I'll add our custom broker's bill. Note that duty requires a special step. I'll select Duty Customer since the customer will pay us back. If the agent was paying us back the duty, we would select Duty Agent. After we save, we can enter one more bill, this time for trucking. Next, let's invoice the customer. I'll press New Invoice. Be sure to use duty customer when entering duty. And now we can save. Once saved, we can print this invoice and email it out to our customer. Lastly, let's create our debit note. Select Credit Memo for amounts we owe to the agent. Select Debit Memo for amounts the agent owes to us. In this example, we will just use Debit Memo. Once all our line items are entered, we can press Save. Now that we have entered all the sales and costs, let's check our profit margin. Everything looks good. We can move on to the next lesson.